Here you go. First tick on the index, very strong, up 130 points. The Nifty holding on strong above the 21,600 mark. The mid-cap index well in the green, flying off the shelf actually right now. And if you look at individual stocks, it's Bajaj Auto that's topping the charts, 5% higher on the back of the buyback. Tata Motors is up 1.5% as well, strong JLR sales. And IT stocks have come back. So Wipro, Infosys, LTI, Mindtree are all in the green. Metal stocks are not too bad either. Tata Steel is in the green as well. Auto stocks, Hero MotoCorp, along with Bajaj and Tata Motors are trending higher. So two-wheelers are looking pretty good. Apart from that, Titan, Cipla, Coal India, JSW Steel are a couple of other names that are trending in the green right now. Guess what? There is no Nifty stock in the red. So the sentiment is very, very upbeat this morning. The mid-cap index is soaring away. So all the action really is in the mid-cap space, and Nigel will take us through that. But the advanced decline ratio is also very comfortable at almost, I mean, it's not comfortable, it's rocking actually right now. 13:1 in favor of the advances, looking very good.
When Sonia uses the term rocking, it is indeed rocking. You know, from the broader markets as well, plenty of stocks that are rocking around. You have IRB Infra, December toll collection up close to around 26%. That's one of the top volume gainers as well, up close to around 5% as we speak. GMDC, they've got an environment clearance for one of those mines to increase capacity from around 3 to around 5 million tons odd. That's good for the lignite business, but I think the street is betting more on the other parts of the business. You know, what can they come up with in terms of rare earth minerals? That's the bigger trigger for the stock from here on. For the time being, though, up close to around 3.5%. What else doing well? Bandhan Bank, they said that there's no audit by the RBI, but a sample audit by CGFMU claims. Abhishek Kothari had brought us that story, and now the management is confirming that as well. So that's another big mover. What's not doing well? Z, that's under pressure, down close to around 7%. Uncertainty on the merger, so that's why that stock is a little bit lower. And a couple of other big volume movers. You have Trident. That's one of the top volume movers on the NSE. That's up in today's trading session in the first couple of minutes. You have Jyoti Structures as well, another smaller name in there that's moving higher. So keep an eye out on the broader markets. Plenty of stocks that are moving around. The headline index is now up 150 points. And I'll tell you what, the Nifty Bank is holding at 47,750. We're 60 points away from the 20 DMA. You'll want to track that mark, 47,810. Crucial mark for the Nifty Bank as well.
Okay, well, so it's a good-looking screen. It's actually a fantastic-looking screen. 150 points on the Nifty is what we have now. And, the Nifty Bank is up about 0.6% or so, which is about 290 points. You know, the level to simply watch is yesterday's high. For the Nifty, that is 21,764. That is still 100 points away from where we are right now. But, you get to that, you stay above it. And it starts to look a lot better once again, price momentum wise, that will be true. Z is bounced off a little bit off the lows, and you can see it at the bottom of the screen. I think at one point was down almost a full 10%. It's down about 7.8, 7.9%. Stocks at about 256. Big volumes on Z at this point in time. Let's just take a look at a few other names before we sort of welcome in our market master. Trident, which went up, which was limit up yesterday. It's up another 8%. Stocks at about 52, but humongous volumes on Trident. Look at that, 50 million shares on Trident right now. These textile companies, Alok Industries is another one, 10% higher, 40 rupees. Again, volumes are humongous coming through there. I think maybe we can put up Sula. Sula on the downside, Sula was limit up yesterday. It's down about 3%, pulling back a little bit. That's about it. I think we mentioned GMDC earlier, which is doing very well. Brigade Enterprises from the real estate space is coming up with volumes. It's got about a 5% gain. Stocks at 992. There is Punjab National Bank. It pulled back about 2-3% yesterday. It's coming back about 1.5% right now. Adani Ports was one of the top Nifty gainers yesterday. It's up another 1.6, 1.7% as the trading starts this morning. Just a few names on the downside. All Cargo Logistics is down 8%. Stocks at about 82, and there's a sharp cut coming through on All Cargo. And there's Z Media, which is down about 6% or so as well. I mean, 16.5, but there are volumes. That's why I'm mentioning that. Colgate is another one, which is down about 1.6, 1.7%. So it's that kind of a start. More up than down. Market breadth looking pretty solid. And the Nifty, all in all, everything told, is up 130 odd points or so.
You know, I just want to make a point on Z, right?
Yeah.
The stock is taking quite a big knock right now. And as even Karan Sorani was saying, this could be a long standoff.
Yeah.
I mean, Sony not wanting Puneet Goenka to be CEO and, the Goenka standing their ground. So things are getting really murky, especially in the last couple of months. And in terms of a timeline, so if you're a shareholder of Z, for example, you don't know which way this is going to head because nobody wants to, change their stance.
Yeah, Karan, of course, clearly believes that this is more than anything else posturing. He's clearly saying that this will go through and it'll take a month, 2 months. But it's a binary
But
kind
no
of an
one
event.
knows,
We don't know.
Right? I mean, nobody
Yeah,
knows. It's just a guess that you're taking. Your guess is as good as mine sort of situation.
No, that's what, but he's making that bet. Let's see. 9% lower is what we have and very large volumes at this point in time. Gautam,